Tautomerism, it is a type of functional isomerism in which the two isomeric structures differ in arrangement of atoms, but they exist in easy and rapid equilibrium. Tautomerism is of four types: keto-enol tautomerism, amide-imidic acid tautomerism, lactam-lactene tautomerism, amine-imine tautomerism. Let us discuss in detail keto-enol tautomerism, a form of tautomerism in which a compound containing CH2CO group or the keto form of the molecule is in equilibrium with one containing double bond and alcohol group or the enol group. Examples are cyclohexanone and 1-cyclohexenol. Second example is vinyl alcohol and acetaldehyde. Let us discuss this example. In vinyl alcohol, there is a double bond and a alcoholic group OH is present. Double bond containing carbon is a weak electron withdrawing group. It decreases electron density on oxygen, and that's why oxygen loses its hydrogen. After losing hydrogen, oxygen gains a negative charge. If we observe this molecule is in conjugation by double bond, single bond and negative charge. It forms resonating structure by rapid transformation of negative charge from oxygen to first carbon. These two structures are in resonance. Now there is two possibility of attacking hydrogen. First is oxygen and second is in carbon. If hydrogen attaches on oxygen, then this whole process repeats itself again, and if hydrogen attaches to carbon, then it forms a ketone molecule or keto form molecule. Reason for the equilibrium lying to the keto form is due to the bond energies. The keto form has C single bond C, C single bond H and C double bond O, whereas enol form has C double bond C, C single bond O and O single bond H. Sum of first three is about 1500 kJ per mole and the second three is about 1452 kJ per mole. The keto form is therefore thermodynamically more stable by 48 kJ per mole. Difference between keto form and enol form. Keto form is electrophilic, whereas enol form is nucleophilic. Keto form reacts with nucleophiles at carbonyl carbon. Enol form reacts with electrophile at alpha carbon. Keto form is acidic at alpha carbon. Enol form is acidic at oxygen. Keto form is hydrogen bond acceptor, whereas enol form is hydrogen bond donor as well as acceptor. Important points: there is equilibrium between two isomers. They are not in resonance. Under most conditions, keto form is favored. 6600:1 for acetone. In keto-enol tautomerism, under most conditions, keto form is favored, but sometimes enol form is favored. Factors that shifts keto form to enol form. There are two factors. First is aromaticity and second is hydrogen bonding. Enol form is more favored as compared to keto form because of aromatic stabilization. Hydrogen bonding. When a Lewis basic group is present, hydrogen bonding stabilizes the enol form.